Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello viewers, welcome to another edition of Tech Talk. Additive manufacturing is an emerging technology that was first used to develop prototypes. Later on, as additive manufacturing improved, its usage expanded to rapid tooling, which was used to create molds for final products. So basically, any process where a product is created by building something up, such as molding, is referred to as additive manufacturing, or typically referred to as 3D printing. So let's know all about it from Sumukha, who's a business innovation manager at EOS Bengaluru.
So let's talk about additive manufacturing. So what is additive manufacturing? So additive manufacturing is a process where we add raw material layer by layer to get a finished product of a desired shape. So that is the definition of additive manufacturing. So everybody know about subtractive manufacturing, where we are removing small material from a bigger chunk of material to get the desired shape or form. So that is your subtractive manufacturing that you have already seen on lathe machines and even on CNC, where you are removing material from a bigger chunk to get a physical desired form. But in 3D printing, what happens? Our raw material is in form of filament or powder, or even in form of resin in some cases. But we deal with raw material which are in form of powder. So we have a laser source which melts the powder layer by layer for the desired geometry. So why do we need additive manufacturing? Because additive manufacturing solves a lot of problems when it comes to complexity. Complex parts can be easily manufactured with 3D printing. Now, if I have to make this in CNC, I would only imagine. But the only thing is, with 3D printing, this would become much easier and much economical to manufacture. When it comes not just complexity, it also helps you get weight, less weight. So it helps you make the part much lighter by adding something called DFAM. We call it design for additive manufacturing. It's a process where it's a design process where you change the design to get a desired outcome. And the other advantage is functional integration. So we have many parts in conventional manufacturing, wherein we have to manufacture the parts separately and then we assemble it later. So in 3D printing, that's a bigger advantage, wherein we have parts which are all printed as one part and you don't have to assemble it later. So you're seeing here, this is actually a burner. It's a jet burner, wherein all these small fins are the fuel injectors. So in total, this becomes like a single part. We don't have to manufacture it as different parts. So that is one more advantage. The much greater advantage is with conformal cooling in tooling. So this is a tool insert. So with conformal cooling channels, wherein it helps to remove heat from a certain portion much faster. So 3D printing is helping a lot of industries when it comes to medical, aerospace, automotive. Automotive prototyping has become much faster, and lead to market, the time has shortened by many months. So 3D print, now people are going into production with 3D printing. So for example, this is a fuel injector again for aviation industry. So similarly, we have many such use cases for everybody to understand. Let's take a example of a watch. So this is the watch that I designed. So this, let's say I have to manufacture a watch. So initially I have to make a case. I have to have the internal components and a strap. So these are the three basic components. To make a case, I have to first design it, and then I have to go to I need to buy a block of steel, and then machine it with CNC, and then take it to inspection and even post processing. And then I have to install the needle and the mechanism inside, and then with the addition of strap, you get your watch. So, but with 3D printing, I don't have to have a lot of limitations when it comes to designs, because your tooth, where does the tool go? All this tool path, I don't have. It is not diminished by all those criterias. With 3D printing, we have expanded the limit of designing when it comes to 3D printing. So this, if you see it, replicates the turbine blades inside a watch. So we have a lot of unexplored potential with 3D printing when it comes to applications. As of now, I'm just naming few applications which I'm able to see here. But going forward, we are hoping to have much more applications where we can talk about additive manufacturing in a better sense. Thank you.
So this was all about additive manufacturing. I hope now you know all about it, where it is used, what are its advantages and disadvantages, and this piece of information might help you in some way or the other in your entrepreneurial journey. So that's all for now. This is Shivani signing off for now, but we'll be back with some more such knowledge sessions in the coming editions of Tech Talk. Till then, stay tuned. Namaskar.